Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Ollama on your Windows system. So let's start the video.
You can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Ollama. And herein guys, you can see the search result. This is the official website. You need to simply click on this link. Now guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see we have download button. Just click on this button. Now here on download page, it is showing downloads based on operating system. So it has already detected for Windows operating system. So here we have button download for Windows. Just click on that. And guys, you can see the download has been started. The file size is in GB, so it is going to take a while. Okay guys, my download is done. Now to install it, I am simply going to click on this exe. You can close or minimize your browser. And now here I'm going to click on this install button, and the installation has been started. It will take a while. Okay guys, so the installation has been done and it has started this page, and here it's loading models, and you can see now we have option for selecting the models. So you can select the model and you can use Ollama locally at your PC. So guys, here you can see it's showing different models. Some are offline model and some are cloud-based model. So here I'm just selecting DeepSeek model, and guys, this is cloud-based, so I need to sign in. So here I'm simply clicking on sign in button. It is redirecting me to this page. If you have account of Ollama, you can log in. Otherwise, you can log in with Google. I'm just signing in with Google. So I'm just selecting any of my Gmail account, and I have just signed in successfully. And now guys, here you can see it's showing connect device. So I'm going to click on this connect button, and you can see it's showing message device connected successfully. Okay, so now I'm going back to Ollama, and here you can see my sign in is successful. Now it's not showing me sign in button. So now here I can give any task which it can perform. So here I'm just giving task that write hello world program in different programming language, and you can see it's doing the task and it has completed the task.
So guys, I conclude my video. I hope by following my video, you are able to set up Ollama on your Windows system. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to like my video and share with your friends. And if you have any query, you can put in comment box, or you can reach me through my IG also. Guys, I have website there. I'm sharing lots of tutorials. Certainly you can visit that. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can join or follow me. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.